Sup, BT crew? BT my daddy here today, and today we got some Lost Thunder.
Some throwback packs. Lost Thunder.
Throwback.
2018, the Lost Thunder came out, and it's 2021, guys. It's not bad, not bad.
Wow, I thought it was 2020 still.
All right, so let's get it.
Pulled the Rainbow Motrace out of a green code card, right? The Motrace and Zapdos and the Articuno tag team. Didn't we pull that out of a...
Oh, and guys, please.
Oh,
what is that? Move it.
Is this a shiny?
I forgot what it's called. Like diamonds or something? Go ahead, what you got?
A
Beautifly. Green. Green energy.
Hopefully you can pull something. Custom catcher. Hitmoncop. I forgot. Cutie Fly. Hoppip.
Some of the artwork on here is pretty tight.
Eevee. Hoppip. Peaky Peck. A Spinarak.
Espeon.
Oh, is that one of the what's it called again? Evolution.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
Energy, Netball, Whitney, Shuckle, Skiddo,
Onyx. Look at that one. That was cool.
Is that a sleeping Onyx? Rolt, Cyndaquil, Pinnacle.
That's an
Ultra
Beast.
Beast.
Yep.
Yeah. Nihilegos.
Yep.
Hurry, guys! There's a person drowning inside the Lego city. We gotta save him.
There we go. Spell tag.
Cascoon. Wait and see hammer.
Wait and see. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff. Mareep.
The next Jigglypuff.
Alolan Vulpix.
If we pull another Jigglypuff, BT will sing the Jigglypuff song for you guys.
I don't know the Jigglypuff song.
Yes, you do if you watched it, and you did.
You know it. That's an Ultra Beast.
Guys, I'm trying to fake it so they don't hear me. Okay, let's get it. Energy, Pinsir, Choice Helmet? Oh, sorry. Morty, Onyx, Mortal, Mareep, Wurmple.
Jigglypuff, sing the song.
Jigglypuff.
Onyx. Oh, reverse hollow Onyx. Here we go. Ooh, a Scizor. I like that one.
This whole time I thought it said scissors.
No, this is tight, dude. Dang. Here, show
Can I
everybody
put
the
my card
Scizor.
over? Oh, sorry, guys.
The thing piece.
Isn't this the one that evolves into Scyther?
No, Scyther evolves into that.
Oh yeah, Scyther evolves into this.
Yes.
I think I got a white one again. It's a backwards one. Wow.
I got a white one too.
Yay! But Dad, look at mine. Who did? Guys, look at this.
I got a white code card, guys.
Y'all ever have this where it's the code, not the...
2, 3,
it's a
4.
green card.
Here we go.
Okay, you got this, Dad.
Okay.
Hold on, just put my code card over there first.
Okay. Ready.
Get it, Dad.
Energy.
Probably gonna pull something, yeah?
Pupitar.
Lampet. Grovyle. Oh, Rolts. Cyndaquil.
Okay.
Pinnacle. Combi. Little Leo.
Leo. Oh, Diamond.
Musumian. And a
Oh,
white.
white Kyurem. Is that hollow?
Yeah, get a sleeve.
Yeah, I gotta get
For both of them. What kind of psychic, right? Or no, wait, what is this?
Fairy, I think.
Fairy. Bruh, what is it? Power. Zaku. Oh, sorry. Slow. Bro, look at this one's drawing. It's like my drawing.
Slowpoke.
Cubchoo. Alolan Diglett.
Alolan Diglett. No.
Natsu.
Oh yeah.
Chikorita. Ooh,
Go.
this
Oh.
is like a weird type.
Kecleon.
And
Unknown. Do you know that the unknowns, they're actually letters of the alphabet?
oh yeah, I see it. It's a white one.
What you mean?
White.
Green. Let's go. I like those diamond ones. I wonder what we can pull from that. Thunder Mountain. Fighting energy, guys. Here we go. Heracross. Pinsir. Thank you. Memory.
I just saved y'all life so you didn't see the future.
Cubchoo.
Tangela. Alolan Vulpix.
Go ahead.
Snubble.
Yep.
How do you say this one? Marini?
Yep.
Morlul.
And the unknown. The unknown in the Lost Thunder.
Yay, Celebi.
Let's go. Let's go. Bring the thunder. What? Bring the thunder.
I got a green. Okay, fighting energy.
Yep, come.
It's still made its way to me.
It's milk though instead of the cheese.
Moo. Ninjask. Combi.
What'd you say? Did you swear at me? Don't swear at me. No swearing. Go.
Yeah, this is a kid show.
I'm just kidding.
This is a kid channel. Well, sometimes.
Swear at me, boy.
Another one.
Another Thunder Mountain. Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
Because we have
one. We'll sell it to you guys when we get 100.
Thunder Mountain.
I have 3 more.
Here we go. Action pack. I feel a Lugia. Here we go, guys. Energy.
When you feel the Lugia, but it's the wrong Lugia.
Netball. Netball.
Cubchoo. Tangela.
This is like the same.
Alolan.
It's like the same exact.
Snubble.
The same exact
Marini.
pattern.
Wait and see hammer and
Let's go.
Go.
Slow.
And Gardevoir. I guess I could.
Gardevoir.
I'm gonna go with my Lugia pack last.
Sheesh.
Okay, guys. So we
Sheesh.
got this one. I don't know its name.
What is that? Let's see.
I
I
forgot.
forgot that one's name. No. 3
Okay.
hollows.
No.
And then
No.
what are those called? Diamonds?
Come on, please. No. Why is it always backwards?
It's alright. It's alright. You got 4?
Yep.
Let's go, man. Who knows? Maybe there's like a rare diamond card.
Lightning, Pinsir, Choice Helmet, Morty, Nincada,
Yep.
Chinchou, Marini.
Oh yeah, guys. Also tell us what's your last what?
You just had a Marini and a Snubble in your last 2 packs.
Oh yeah, I did. Let us know what your guys' favorite card is from Lost
Cyndaquil
Thunder.
and Donphan.
Cyndaquil. Got a green code card.
Nice.
Okay, let's go.
My pain is far greater than yours.
Electabuzz.
Litwit,
Liquid. Combi.
Marini,
Larvitar. Oh,
Larvitar.
come on. Give
That's
us a
the one that
Tyranitar.
Turns into a Tyranitar, right?
Yep. Umbreon. That was nice.
Me and the camera crew in the back have been trying to find out all of the Eevee evolutions. No, we actually have. Okay, guys, I got my
Celebi.
Zoroark.
Yeah, it's Aurora.
I'm insane, guys.
Oh, you got a Lugia pack for your last one.
Oh my god.
Celebi, I make a wish.
I have
a
another
wish
green
for a
code
rainbow.
card.
What you got? Oh, Cyndaquil, that's a good sign.
Yep, that's a good sign too. Yeah, guys, that's a good sign.
That's a good sign.
I just told this pack what it is. I just named this pack out of my butt. Fighting that's great. Wurmple. Populo.
Oh, that's what you did before you opened the pack of Poplio. You Poplio. Cleon. I'm done.
A toucan!
God.
Dad, why are you fighting so much?
I wished, because Celebi grants wishes. I wish for a rainbow.
Please save me, Lugia!
It's white.
Totally.
Come on, Celebi! Make my wish!
I come home.
There we go.
Yo, y'all ever wonder who farted?
Slugma. Baby T.
I'm not little Leo. Lit Leo. I'm not no lit Leo.
Lit Leo.
Hey guys. So.
LPM's up. Last pack magic. Last pack magic.
Oh!
It's a green card. Green code card. It's gotta be white. It's gotta be white. I asked for a wish. I wished for a white code card. And you took my wish.
Let's go.
Go. Go.
Oh my god, it's my last pack right here. My last pack.
Rainbow.
Okay, energy. Kecleon. Netball. Whitney. Pinnacle. Eevee. Brushish. Durant. Kevin Durant. Reap.
Here it is, rainbow. It is.
It's not a rainbow, but it is something.
It's a full art. Go. Oh, Genesect GX, dude. What? We got a hit.
Why, Lugia? How could you do this
Oh,
to me?
this is good, son.
You were supposed to come, not Genesect. You!
Hey, we got one.
Yep. It's your turn for your green code card. I literally only had 2 white code cards.
Lost Thunder's rough. It's rough.
It's kind of.
Okay, let me see what I got.
Kind of lost.
LPMs, guys. LPMs. Here we go.
Alolan Duck Trio. Pinsir. Choice Helmet. Houndour. Cutie-Fly. Shincho. Hoppip.
Give me those diamond cards again.
Picky Peck.
Kecleon. It keeps coming back. And an Umbreon. Damn. That was rough. Lost Thunder. Kind of tough, but not bad for the single
It
packs.
was okay.
Yeah, not bad. Alright, guys. Please like and subscribe to our videos, guys. Let's get up to those 100 subscribers. We're almost there. Thank you guys for watching. Check us out on our social media at what, BT?
Instagram, BTTube, TikTok, BTTube, and this YouTube channel right there. I think it's right there.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We got some more stuff for you coming up. Thank you, guys.
Bye.